Here at Abakus, we've always believed that doing accounting should be simple and that business information should be available for business owners at all times. Do you agree with us? If you do, then Abakus might be exactly what you're looking for, a simple and effortless way to manage your business. With our easy-to-use platform, you can make quick financial decisions using real-time data without having to wait a month for your accountant's report. Understand your performance and profit with basic accounting concepts and simple, clear reports. Create invoices, bills, and track inventory in minutes, keeping receivables and payables in check for a healthy cash flow. Work together with your team across multiple warehouses or stores, streamlining your operation and keeping a single source of truth. Do you daydream with a more organized business? Take Abakus for a test drive today, and we'll help you in every step of the way.